Hello again and welcome to yet another episode of 31 Days of Mudras. This is your host Sujit Sukumaran and it's my pleasure to welcome you once again on this journey of learning and discovery. Today we are going to learn about a mudra which is very simple to do but is extremely powerful. It belongs to the family called the Panchatattva mudras, or it's one of the constituent mudras of the family of 5 elements. Now, if you refer and recall, if you're seeing the video for the first time, I would urge you to go back to our series of videos on YouTube and look at one of the videos called 5 elements in the hand. Now, in that, we had talked about the element of air being one of the fingertips of the hand. Now, this mudra is basically the mudra of the air element called Vayu mudra, and it's extremely simple to do. Out of your 5 fingers, bend the index finger and hold the thumb finger on top of the bent index finger. You can do it on the left and the right. Usually we do it in both hands together, not one hand in isolation, and it is usually kept like straight facing upwards on your lap when you are sitting cross-legged. If you are sitting not cross-legged and you are sitting on a chair upright, you can even do it this way, but then what I feel happens is after some time the shoulders and the elbows pain and the biceps also get stretched. So the most relaxed way to do it is palm facing upwards, index finger bent, and the other 3 fingers facing outside, upward, and the thumb finger bent over the index finger. And you can hold it for a maximum of 15 minutes at a stretch if you are doing it in one shot, or you can break it into 3 case bits of 5 minutes each and do it thrice a day. Usually I do this every day before I go to bed after a heavy meal, because that is the least active period I have in my life after eating. Similarly, if you are one of those people who gets acid reflux or like too much of indigestion after eating a heavy meal and you're not able to burp or something like that, this is extremely good for bringing out gas. The remedies are as follows. All gas, flatulence, and any air related issues in the body will be remedied due to consistent practice of this. You will also have very less of joint pains if you do it on a continuous basis with the right practice, and it generally takes care of the viscosity between your joints as well, so you won't have that cracking popping sound when you get up and sit down and all that. You will know how difficult and painful it is if you've been in the winter season and you have an issue with your bones. I used to have it when I was a child, so I know this is a particularly painful condition, and this mudra is exceptionally helpful in remedying that on a medium to long term basis. So practice this and definitely it will help all of you. And as I was telling you in the earlier videos, do refer the previous videos also so that you get a basic understanding of the terms and terminologies we are discussing about in most of our videos. We're also, if you would like to have a more detailed deep dive into the concepts of mudras, having a free webinar which we are hosting pretty soon. The link will be posted in the description for each mudra starting this week, and you can subscribe and then go in and have a look at the contents of the course on mudras as a free webinar. And if you have any queries, as usual, please write into me, leave a comment on our Instagram or YouTube handles or on the Facebook page so we can serve you better. Until I see you next time, wishing you nothing but the best of health, wealth and prosperity. This is your host Sujit Sukumaran signing off. See you soon.